uCertify offers Microsoft Office Specialist Excel 2016 certification prep for information workers. So, start your prep for Microsoft Office Specialist Excel 2016 certification exam from today with uCertify. To be a Microsoft Office Specialist Excel 2016 certified professional, you'll have to pass 77-727 and 77-728 exams. Microsoft Office Specialist Excel 2016 certification exam focuses on fundamental understanding of the Excel environment and the ability to complete tasks independently, demonstrating the correct application of the principal features of Excel 2016, creating and editing a workbook with multiple sheets, and using a graphic element to represent data visually. In the uCertify course, you'll be receiving 495 practice questions and 8,760 hours of online content. It includes 38 lessons with interactive learning resources, such as over 157 flashcards and 155 quizzes. The course has 2 sets of practice tests with hundreds of items to ensure effective learning outcome. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you'll be able to create and manage worksheets, workbooks, data cells, ranges, tables, charts and objects, perform operations with formulas and functions, manage workbook options and settings, apply custom data formats and layouts, and create advanced formulas, advanced charts and tables. To explore more about uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/Microsoft/LO-77-727-777-728. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.